Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to pair Bluetooth earphone to our Motorola phone. Guys, you want to pair this earphone to your Motorola phone, so as you can pair it. And guys, now let's say how to pair Bluetooth earphone to our Motorola phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So friends, let's see how to pair. So without waste time guys, open your phone setting and guys click on this connected device and guys on your earphones. This button guys, we will on it. Power off button guys, and this volume button. So at this power off button guys, we will on it. It will on and guys click on pair new device. So as you want to pair new device and I refresh. So you can see guys this earphone name. So guys click on your earphone name. After guys you can see this notification pair. So we want to pair, so we will click on this pair. So guys you can see notification oh guys like Bluetooth is earphone has pair in your Motorola phone. Then guys you can use your Bluetooth earphone with your Motorola phone. So are you friends, you have understood how to pair Bluetooth earphone to our phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet in next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.